Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are reacting to UNIS. Can't believe it, right after their concert, not long after, we finally have life. We have life from UNIS. And I'm very excited to react to their new MV Gimme Summer. Obviously the full MV ep will be out on 31st. I'll be on holidays during that time. So when I'm back around, I'll be back like just a week after. I'll make sure to record it and upload it instantly. But for this one, I'm excited that at least I get to hear something just before the actual comeback. Alright, are we excited, guys? I know we are, so let's get right into it. Let's go! Gimme Summer by UNIS. Japanese. What do we got, girls? Wait, you know what it's giving me? It's giving me more like a retro vibe. You know that oh, I don't know how do you call it. I don't know what you call it. Like, is it house pop? Is that what it is? It's giving me more of a retro vibe rather than like the typical J-pop kind of feel. You know how like for the typical J-pop we had like moi, we had Swiss, right? We had Mosh Mosh. That's like typical kind of J-pop kind of sound. This one's more laid back in that sense, you know. This one's more laid back, as we can tell from the beginning. But their voices sound so good, yeah. And I like how like this like I think something with UNIS is their distinct tones, especially like can you hear? Like, you just really hear that like. Right. hyeonju. Oh, that's so cute, but I like this kind of drop. Oh yeah, Jelly sounded really good too. Where's that part? Also tell that they're trying to put that retro pop kind of sound in as well. Like if you see, like look at the camera quality. Look at this little cut here that we had. This old school like a flip camera kind of image. This one here, like this one. Like you can just tell that it's that retro vibe, and I really like it. This is something you would say a bit different from what UNIS usually does. Instead of the bright hype kind of songs, we have a more mellow type of songs. So it's very, in a way, it slightly contrasts from what they usually put, and I really like it. I really like this type of vibe because it focuses more. I guess you could say it is more focused. The song is more focused surrounding their and vocals and how like their tonality is, rather than how the backing track is plus their vocals. You know, this one's more centered around vocals to give that kind of to give that atmosphere that they're trying to put you in, which I really like. I really like it a lot. But there's no Yuna yet. There's no Yuna. She's not back. I hope Yuna is in the full comeback. I wonder if this is the This should be just a single in the track, in the ep, right? So this is not the title track, I'd assume, right? Oh, we're about to Gimme part. Yeah.
Slow motion, slow motion. 오렌지に溶けちゃって Slow motion, slow motion. フィルター外さないでソーダの海でメロメロ I love したまま既読するは許さない夏の虜でしょ Everybody メガハートこっち向いて元気君へのラブ全部保存してね Gimme some more 神様
Hey!
日焼けの後君の虜見つめ合うと照れちゃうけど焼き付けで消えないで Gimme some more 神様
Hey!
大好きだから終わらないでそのままな君そのままでいてそのままな君そのまま離るぜそのままな君そのままでいてそのまま離るぜ
Oh, nah, I like it. I like this, but I like this type of vibe. This is different. This is low key a bit different for UNIS. You know, oh, it reminds me of the oh, what group is it? There's one other group that did this similar style. You guys will know. You guys will know. I'm not gonna say it. Um, but if you guys understand where my brain is, if we're thinking together, you know, it sounds like that group. It sounds like that one group. It's definitely giving that sort of vibe. This is what I mean by that retro vibe. Oh, bro, I like it. And this vocal part, this like you hear how clear the vocals are and how mellow the backing track is, like the actual instrumental is.
君の態度焼き付けないでそのままでいてそのまま離るぜそのままな君そのままでいてそのままな君そのまま離るぜ
And then there's this part here.
照れちゃって君さんの好きだから
Oh yeah. I really love this build up. This build up was really beautiful. Like from here.
Everybody メガハートこっち向いて元気君へのラブ全部保存してね Gimme some more 神様
Hey!
日焼けの後君の虜見つめ合うと照れちゃうけど焼き付けで消えないで Gimme some more 神様
Hey!
大好きだから終わらないでそのまま
Bruh, it's so beautiful.
にでメロメロ
But that part. Oh, I'm proud of the girls, bro. I mean, yeah, if this is a B-side, I wonder what the title track is. I wonder what the other songs are. Because obviously most likely they're gonna definitely switch. They're gonna definitely have different styles of J-pop in there, 100%. I don't think the entire app will be just this retro vibe. Definitely we'll have like a, I'm feeling we're gonna have like another spring rain type of vibe song. Let me know what you think in the comments of the song. I thought it was very calming, very, very emotional type of song versus um their previous Japanese releases. They've been more those Japanese releases have been more cutesy, cutesy, upbeat. This one's a bit more mellow, in a sense, a bit more mature. So I like it. I like it. I like it. Good job, girls. I'm very proud of you. I'm excited to see what you guys have for your comeback. 31st July. I'll be a bit late, but I can't wait to hear their comeback. Anyways, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Alright, if you're new here, I put the last UNIS video on the bottom left here. I believe it is the concert. Actually, no. I'll put a different one. But if you want to check out the concert where they performed in Sydney, where they came for Australia the first time, feel free to check it in the playlist here. I'm telling you right now, you're going to be, like always, UNIS always hit the stage. But hope you guys did enjoy it. And if you want to check out any of my content, here, or check out my socials up top. Anyways, love you guys. I'll catch you ever afters in the next one when they finally release the full app. Alright?